You just got your new hat in from DapperFam.com. Let's open it up. You go to put it on your head and it's just a tad bit too big. Luckily, DapperFam has you covered from the beginning. In every hat order, there's gonna be a set of these hat size reducers. They have 3M tape on the back. We're gonna go ahead and get into those. What you're gonna wanna do first is what's called a dry fit. The dry fit is to help make sure that the fit is right, and both of these are needed because you may only need one. Make sure that the inside of the hat band is clean, and we're gonna peel it back like that. And again, not taking the tape off the back yet. We're gonna slide that right behind there. And we're gonna do the same on the other side. We're gonna just do a test, just make sure it works out for us. Much better. Once we make sure that we do in fact need both, we're gonna take them back out. We're gonna peel off that 3M tape. And we are going to, again, open up the hat band. And we're gonna do the same on the other side. Perfect. Now that we have those hat size reducers in, you know how to make sure that your hat fits perfectly every time.